Biafra Liberation Army don't send a message give all those people where they come video, they shout Jesus oh, Jesus oh, if they go operation. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And don't forget to give us a follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel, very very important. And remember, say as they hot now they bring and they come, so many things are really going on right now as we they talk. The one of the Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside come talk say all those ones will be say if they do operation finish, they come the video, they share Jesus, they go there relax the video. He say make they dey careful for their life. Say that video where they did there, the video, one person fit go post them, they call track you come, say hi, they know say something will happen for there before you go the video. Like this, you don't start the answer question where you know. Say as they do the operation, then the video waiting they happen. Say once they reach, they go release the video of waiting happen. So the contour say it's better. Say may you, even though say you video, may you quickly come up for there so that you no go enter for problem. And for those ones where they post, if you know say they post, your security know they tight, may they very very careful. Oh. He say this time that they find who they go hold hand, say now you do this thing before you go know they tag you or non-government. From that it don't enter RIP be that. So this message is very very important, and that's why I say I must blabber gist must carry and come give you now more now listening to this voice from beginning to end. Very very important, no skip any part of it. And we'll come back and talk more about this particular video, because waiting talk for here, it really makes sense. May you watch the video, then we'll come back, we'll come talk more about that.
But once men come out and do their mathematics finish, do their worship finish, men move. You understand? They don't do their job, they don't clear the road. Waiting remain. For some of our people, when they do video, I'm telling everybody this. For all of you where they carry phone, they do video. When I go there, they do video, they shout. Use your number 6. Once you see that thing happen, what you go do is say, you go carry your phone, sharply shout. No, they waste time, they shout. What you did there, they shout. Now you do them, now you kill them. What is your problem? Now you kill the kid. When you carry phone the video, as a smart person, as a person will be say your brain dey normal. As you see that kind of thing, you don't even need to waste time, self. Once they see if you want video, you go there very very vigilant. Say you the video. Let me tell you something. You go there very very vigilant where you the video. As you video, you move immediately. No, they because as you the video that time, all these soldiers fee enter. Bah, hey, because of they see their men lap on ground like that. They pay everybody waiting for that place. You don't know. You don't know. I don't know why we say our people like I don't understand. In case of next time, because what's not the reason they same say see no man waiting for ground we say Nigeria soldier go fake pie. Now you when they come out, they do video. Now you go collect ammo. Now you go collect ammo. By that time, they talk say, see now, Biafra don't they keep Biafra, this and that. But now you cause yourself the problem. Now you put yourself in that danger. Sometimes I don't even know what you the video. Men we don't do this thing, don't video around. So you wait and see the video. And they tell our people, if you see that kind of thing, know the video, run for your life, run for your dear life. You see that location, your phone, you are not even safe. Your WhatsApp are not safe. If something will say that they track people, you're talking now, you wave video, they go track you. You get wetin they go carry come for that place now. They go see am. They go track you come. But you see men, they no go fit track us. They no fit, they no born them well, they no born their papa. Sure you get. So I dey tell you this thing so that you will know say na war. Na war. Okay, you are waiting for the day wey be say they go declare pure war. Say you don dey see am, they don dey shoot you, they run up and down, they enter inside bush. You're waiting for that, right? Stop playing. Stop playing. Ano na agha ka ano. You got to go. Ano na agha. It's only Chukwu Okike Abiyama is saving our people, because these people, they have come to kill us. Because they feel that we are the government, so we are coming to finish them. This is what their mind is telling them, because their mind is deceiving themselves, thinking that they are coming Biafra land to kill us. But they don't know that they are coming to to go down. You got to go. So I also use this opportunity to tell our people, you should be very, very careful in anything you are doing. In anything you are doing in Biafra land, in your own land, you should be very careful. You be very, very careful. Biko. Everybody must stay alive to see this Biafra to come. You got to go. So, and we don't want to lose anybody. Now, they are planning to come attack. Especially Commander Gento, our man. So they are planning to attack. Say, if I name ably for Mazeka name, no, you're Kalobi na Patiro. Before you see any soldier, any Biafran soldier like this, Wopatiria, one day, so let them come. Let them come.
Yeah, welcome back, my people. As I've watched that message coming direct from Biafra Liberation Army, if you listen very well and heard everything that they said here, this message is very clear. So many people have lost their loved one today because of what they didn't know. Even though you thief your matches, ordinary Maggie in Southeast now, they will tag you unknown government or ESN or Biafra Liberation Army, because they feel like there's no way they can justify the killings of the Igbo youth. It's only to tag you one thing, but then to get you down. So as some families, they are hoping maybe their son or their cousin, whoever, but if it's a young man, is being traveled outside the country, but one day he will call, but don't know that where he is now is just a dust, because I'll be eliminated by the people who call themselves soldiers. So you should take a very caution of this. Mind how you go and shout Jesus and start videoing. They may just drop in immediately. Maybe they call them before they die for backup, and they come and see you people, they open fire. They may even mistakenly open fire, thinking maybe you people are still there and you're a gunner. Even that road that thing happen, avoid going to that area for a moment. Those who are living near that side should immediately evacuate, because you know that this has become a way that Nigerian military does. Once something happens, they will come start burning everything around that vicinity. But normally, it didn't. Those people living there did not do anything. Do investigation and carry out your arrest. If you feel like maybe the suspect are the ones, arrest them, than burning houses and let those people use lawyer to justify themselves. So be very, very careful when you see such thing happening, and man how you video. So this is our advice to you for your own good. Now people, no be smart, now so we see them today. and I will say more carry am come give una. Abeg, sharing this video is very, very important. No forget to share this video, because this particular video is special. Everyone need to see it, make it go viral by you sharing it to any group, anybody you feel like to serve. Share it to that person. Very, very important. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.